My name is Nathaniel Carlos, and I interned at Mountain Sea Dental. First, starting off, working with the instruments, cleaning them, packaging them, and putting them away, which is really great because I really learned a lot about the instruments. And the second is getting a hands-on experience on either watching how they do their procedures or actually assisting doing the procedures. So working here at Mountain Sea Dental has actually strengthened my pursuit for my career goal because I've actually learned a lot. I'm hoping once I get to college I can apply these skills that I've learned and come back so I can help here. My next step was to go to the college of my dream and hopefully succeed there so I can graduate and become the most known oral surgeon.